Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to post on Twitter or how to post on X. So let me show you the procedure. It's pretty easy for both app and website. So let's head over to it. First of all, just head over to your browser, and once you go search for X, you will also just find the Twitter or X website, and then just here you will find this interface in both your mobile application and your website. So once you get this one, you can just add whatever you want to write. You can add pictures from here, pictures or videos, any sort of media, GIFs, or you can create poll, or you can just add an emoji. You can also schedule your tweets in here. So if you want to just post a picture in here, just click on media and it will let you browse your pictures. Suppose I am searching for this one and clicking on open, and then there goes the picture. And if I just tap on post, yeah, it is posted from my profile on Twitter or X. And yeah, this is done. This is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.